Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to design and simulate a half wave rectifier using NI Multisim software. A rectifier is a very important circuit used to convert AC voltage into DC voltage, and the half wave rectifier is the most basic and fundamental rectifier circuit in electronics. In this video, we'll understand the working principle, design the circuit step by step in NI Multisim, and analyze the input and output waves using oscilloscope. Okay, first I'm going to select a power source. So the power source should be AC voltage. Yeah, we have selected it like this. Then let's look at a transformer. So basically transformers reduce the voltage. Okay, we'll set the transformer like that. Now we need a diode, so I'm choosing 1N4001 diode. We are typing it like this, and yeah, set the diode. Then the resistor. Let's choose a 1K resistor. Okay, that's all. And this resistor is in the horizontal. To make it vertical, we are pressing Ctrl and R. Then we are connecting all the connections like this. So these are the values of the power source. We can see the VRMS, and this is for the transformer. It's 2211. And diode is like this, and we can change the label of the diode also. So in here we can change the name of the diode. So this is D1, and we change it to diode. As well as in the resistor, we can do the same thing. Now the circuit is completed. So we'll look at for an oscilloscope. So now we have to connect the oscilloscope to these two ends. So input end and output end. So first we connected it to the output. Then we can change the color. Let's look a light color like light green. Alright. Now let's connect it to the input. So we connect it to the input of the transformer and connect to the ground. Okay, everything is connected. Now we double click on the oscilloscope and get this panel and run the simulation. So you can see the simulation like this. The waves are like this. So we can adjust by clicking those to get fine details. When analyzing these waves, you can see the green one is the output one, and there's a little wave in the negative side also. So the thing is, the voltage is higher for this diode. So all we need to do is the reducing the VRMS value. So let's take like value like 60. Okay, now we can see a perfect half wave. So the green wave is the output wave and the red one is the input wave we are given to this circuit.